Continuation of this nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Here we discuss about the dicarboxylic acid. Last we discussed oxalic acid. Here I am taking one more dicarboxylic acid, COOH, COOH, CH2, COOH, COOH, 3 carbon containing dicarboxylic acid. Okay, here the common name of this molecule is malonic acid. Malonic acid, malonic. Common name of this molecule is malonic acid. 3 carbon containing. That means it is a dioic acid. 3 carbon atoms are there. So write prop. Okay, here prop plus AN plus dioic acid. Here 2 carboxylic acid presented one carboxylic acid presented first position. Okay, and one more carboxylic acid presented third position. So we called 1,3 prop N dioic acid. 1,3 propane dioic acid. Here I am taking one more COOH and here COOH. Okay, 4 carbon containing dicarboxylic acid. This is called succinic acid. Succinic acid. This is simply we called as succinic acid. And here, okay, this is 1,4-butane dioic acid. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 positions. Dioic acid group is there. 4 carbon atoms are there. So we called as 1,4 butane dioic acid. Okay, here I am taking one more carboxylic acid. The common name of this molecule is crotanoic acid. The common name of this molecule is crotanoic acid. And here the UPAC name of this molecule with the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. At second position, okay, here at second position we have the double bond. So write the butanoic acid. Actually it is called butanoic acid. Second position double bond is there. Write 2 and 4 carbon atoms are present. E-but. And here second position double bond is there. So write E. I wrote 2 second position. Okay, and oic acid. 2-butanoic acid. 2-butanoic acid. Okay, here CH3. Okay, here CH3, CH, double bond, C, CH3, COOH. Okay, it is a simple molecule. Okay, 2-methyl, with the numbering from this side. 2-methyl butanoic acid. 2-methyl 2-butanoic acid. 2-methyl 2-butanoic acid. Okay, here this is the IUPAC nomenclature of saturated, unsaturated carboxylic acid. Then we'll discuss about the here IUPAC nomenclature of cyclic molecules, cyclic carboxylic acids. Benzene with COH group we called as benzoic acid. Okay, here if cyclohexane has carboxylic acid, cyclohexane attached with the carboxylic acid we called as cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Okay, I am giving simple examples here. Okay, here cyclohexane with COOH, cyclohexane with COOH. Okay, this we called as cyclohexane as it is, right? Cyclohexane and carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Okay, benzene with carboxylic acid, commonly called as benzoic acid. Commonly called as benzoic acid. For example, if benzene, carboxylic acid, okay, here CH3 group is there. This we called as 2-methyl benzoic acid. 2-methyl benzoic acid. Why we call 2-methyl benzoic acid? First position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Second position methyl group is there, so we called as 2-methyl benzoic acid. Okay, the common IUPAC nomenclature of benzoic acid and benzoic acid derivatives and cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. For example, here COH group is there. Here COH group is there. If two COH groups are present on benzene on adjacent carbon atom, that means 1-2 position. Benzene 1,2. The IUPAC name of this molecule is 1,2 benzene dioic acid. Benzene dioic acid. The common name of this molecule is phthalic acid. The common name of this molecule is phthalic acid. If COH groups are present at 1-3 position, COOH and COOH, the common name of this molecule is isophthalic acid. And here 1,3 benzene dioic acid. 1,3 benzene dioic acid. 1,3 benzene dioic acid. Suppose for example, if two COH groups are present at opposite position, this is called terephthalic acid. Terephthalic acid. The IUPAC name of this molecule is 1,4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,4 benzene dioic acid. 1,4 benzene dioic acid. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of various carboxylic acids. In continuation, we'll see the simple discussion of IUPAC nomenclature of derivatives of carboxylic acids. What are the derivatives of carboxylic acids? Derivatives of carboxylic acid means esters, acid anhydrides, amides. Here I am writing. Derivatives means amides, carboxylic acid derivatives. C double bond O NH2 functional group containing molecules are called amides. Acid chlorides. C double bond O Cl functional group containing molecules are called acid chlorides. Esters. COOR functional group containing molecules are called esters. COOR functional group containing molecules are called esters. Acid anhydrides. C double bond O C double bond O. We called as acid anhydrides. We'll see the IUPAC nomenclature of acid anhydrides, amides and acid chlorides. First, we'll see the amides. Here I am taking one amide, C double bond O NH2. H C double bond O NH2. C double bond O NH2 functional group containing molecules we called as amides. The common name of this molecule is formamide. The common name of this molecule is formamide. The IUPAC, when you are writing the IUPAC name of this molecule, we write amide. First write the root word, primary suffix and amide. Add the amide. Prefix, root word, primary suffix and add amide. Here no prefixes. How many carbon atoms are there? Only one carbon atom is present. So write meth. No double bond, no triple bond, ane and amide. Methanamide. The IUPAC name of this molecule is methanamide. Suppose for example, CH3 C double bond O NH2 is there. The common name of this molecule is acetamide. The IUPAC name of this molecule, 2 carbon atoms are there, so write ethane amide, ethanamide. Okay, I am writing one more aromatic amide, C double bond O NH2. This is the aromatic amide. Okay, commonly called as phenylamide. Phenylamide. The IUPAC name of this molecule is benzamide. Benzene plus amide we called as benzamide. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of amides. Next, in continuation, IUPAC nomenclature of acid chlorides. Acid chlorides. Acid chloride means C double bond O Cl functional group containing molecules are called acid chlorides. C double bond O Cl. C double bond O Cl functional group containing molecules are called acid chlorides. When you are giving the IUPAC nomenclature to acid chloride, we use oil chloride as a secondary suffix. Oil chloride. Oil chloride as a secondary suffix. Suppose for example HC double bond O Cl is there. The common name of this molecule is formyl chloride. The common name of this molecule is formyl chloride. Formyl chloride. The IUPAC name of this molecule. How many carbon atoms are there here? Only one carbon. Methane. No double bond, no triple bond between carbon atoms. Methane. Add oil chloride. Methanoyl chloride. Methanoyl chloride. Suppose for example CH3 C double bond O Cl. Okay, the common name of this molecule is acetyl chloride. The common name of this molecule is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. And here, okay, 2 carbon atoms are present. So, ethane oil chloride. Ethane oil chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. Okay. Benzene with C double bond O Cl. Okay, here it is simply we called as benzoyl chloride. The IUPAC name of this molecule is no common name. Okay, here the IUPAC name of this molecule is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Okay, in continuation we'll discuss about the esters. IUPAC nomenclature of esters. Okay, when you are writing the IUPAC name of ester, we use different format. Alkyl alkanoate. We use different format. What is that? Alkyl alkanoate ester. Alkyl alkanoate is the different nomenclature for this one. Okay, here I am taking one simple ester, HCOOCH3 or COOR. Functional group containing molecules are called ester. First simple ester. Okay, here HCOOCH3. The common name of this molecule is, here methyl group is there. So write methyl, and this group we called as formate. Methyl formate. Common name of this molecule is methyl formate. And here what is the IUPAC name? Alkyl. First write the alkyl. Which alkyl group is present with the oxygen? First write that alkyl group. Okay, here I am writing alkyl group. Which alkyl group present here? Methyl group. So write here methyl. Okay, here how many alkanoate? Alkanoate means write carbon atom. How many carbon atoms? One carbon atom. One carbon atom present means meth and ane and ate. Methyl methanoate. The IUPAC name of this molecule is methyl methanoate. Okay, here I am writing one more molecule, CH3 C double bond O CH3. Okay, CH3. This group is called acetate. CH3 C double bond O group, COO group is called as acetate group. Methyl. Okay, commonly called as methyl acetate. the commonly called as methyl acetate. And here write as usual methyl. And how many carbon atoms present here? 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms means 2 means ethanoate. Ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay. Suppose for example benzene, C double bond O, OCH3 is there. Okay, here write as usual methyl. Okay, methyl. The IUPAC name of this molecule is methyl. Okay, it is a benzoate. IUPAC name, common name is only one, that is methyl benzoate. Okay, this is the alkyl alkanoate formula. Okay, this is the separate nomenclature for the esters. Then we'll discuss about the acid anhydrides. IUPAC nomenclature of acid anhydride. These are the different groups and different nomenclature. We use only oic anhydride. Here we use oic anhydride. Okay. We'll see the common name and IUPAC name of different simple anhydrides and mixed anhydrides. Anhydrides are two types: simple anhydrides and mixed anhydrides. Here one point is there. Here one point is there. That means, okay, this is the C double bond O, C double bond O. Here one alkyl group, here one alkyl group. This alkyl group and this alkyl group, both the alkyl groups are same. That we call as a simple anhydride. Okay, here or are different. That means if these two alkyl groups are different, we call as a mixed anhydride. Okay, we'll discuss simple anhydride and mixed anhydride nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, here we use oic anhydride. Oic anhydrides. Okay, here I am taking one simple anhydride. First anhydride, C double bond O, H. This is the one simple anhydride. Why we? Okay, both side hydrogen is there, so we call as simple anhydride. Okay, this is called formic anhydride. Formic anhydride. Okay, here both sides only. Here oxygen is there. Left side only one carbon atom is there. Right side only one carbon atom is there. That means both sides only one type of alkyl group is present. So, right, I am writing the IUPAC name of this one. Okay, only one methanoic anhydride. Only we are taking, we consider only one side. We consider only one side, methanoic anhydride. We'll see that mixed anhydride in continuation. Okay, here I am taking CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, here this is called acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Okay, here two sides. Here one side is one side two carbon atoms, other side also two carbon atoms. So we are consider only one side. So write ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic, writing anhydride. If it contain, suppose for example H, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3 is there. This side H is there. That means one carbon atom. This side two carbon atoms are there. Okay. The common and IUPAC name of this molecule is, this side, okay, meth group is there, methanoic. This side, okay, ethanoic. Okay. Commonly we called as, okay, the formyl and acetyl anhydride. Formyl acetyl anhydride. The IUPAC name of this one is ethanoic and methanoic anhydride. Methanoic anhydride. Suppose for example if both side benzoyl group is present. Benzoyl. This is benzoyl. This is benzoyl. Okay, we called as benzoyl anhydride. Benzoic anhydride or benzoyl anhydride. Benzoic anhydride. Okay, this is the different IUPAC nomenclature of derivatives of carboxylic acids and IUPAC nomenclature of ketones, carboxylic acids, derivatives of carboxylic acids. Okay, from tomorrow we'll discuss about the preparation of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, chemical properties, physical properties of carboxylic acid, ketone and aldehydes. Thank you.